By the end of this video, you'll be able to make this turbo impeller all by yourself. Now let's start. New file. First step is you create a sketch using any of the vertical axes. We choose line and create a line from the center at 90 degrees of height 80 mm. Then another line from the center to the right hand side of length 90. We create another line, click this point of 10 mm, another line from here of 10 mm. Make sure to mention the sketch dimension of these lines so that they remain definite. And next we create an arc, a 3-point arc. We choose this point and this point and set it up right over here. Click on sketch dimension again and set the radius of this arc to 80 mm. Okay. Finish sketch. Then we click on this profile, go to create, and select Revolve. As you can see, the profile has been already selected. Next we choose the axis, we choose this line, new body, click on OK. Next step, create a sketch on the top of this model. We again choose a 3-point arc, click on the center, and click on any point right over here. Now click on sketch dimension, click this center and this point. We will set this distance as 65 mm and we will set the radius of this arc as 66 mm. After that, just click on select and drag this point a little bit right over here, around here. Just don't take it outside the circle. Next, we create an offset. Select this arc, create an offset of minus 1.5 mm. Click OK. Then again, select line, click on these 2 points to connect them, and click on these 2 points to connect them. Finish sketch. Now, next step is to create offset plane at the bottom of the model. Click on the bottom of the model. And take the distance minus 9 mm. Click on OK. Now we create a sketch on this offset plane. Choose line, click on the center and create a line of distance 88 mm. And we create another offset, this line of 2 mm. Click on OK. Again, connect these 2 points. Finish sketch. Next, we click on loft. Choose these 2 profiles and you'll see that the loft that we are creating is actually cutting through our model, which you don't want. So the first thing that you do is on profile 2, select it to direction and the operation join. Also another thing, you have to edit the takeoff weight, set it to 0.5. Click on OK. Now this is your first blade. Next thing that you do is create a pattern. Go to pattern and select on circular pattern. We choose the type as features. Choose the axis as the top axis of model. And this blade. Quantity, we set it to 12. Click on OK. Now, it's looking really good now. We're almost there. Click on sketch again. Choose one of the vertical profiles. Create a center diameter circle anywhere. And set the radius, the diameter, 137 mm. Now, we go to sketch dimension, click on the center of the circle and the center of the plane. And set the distance to 127. We again click on the center of the circle and set this distance to 65. Now after you have created the circle, choose the profile of the circle, click on press pull. We will extrude now. After you have created the circle, we click on the profile of the circle and click on Revolve, select the axis and set the operation to cut. Click on OK. It's almost done. Now the next thing you have to do is you have to create a hole. You select this profile, click on hole. Go down here and select the drill point as flat and the diameter 15. Click and drag on the hole and it will snap to the center of the model. Set the distance to 80. Click on OK. And it's done. The centrifugal turbo impeller is now ready.